So friends, for making spring rolls, we need cabbage juliennes, shredded chicken, carrot juliennes, spring onions, capsicum juliennes, salt, pepper, and soya sauce. Even we need spring roll sheets. Here I am using Swid's company. And a mixture of flour and water. Add oil, chicken, cabbage, carrot juliennes, spring onions, and capsicum. Now you have to add soya sauce, salt, and black pepper powder. And now stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I have only stirred fried for 2 to 3 minutes to keep the crispiness of the vegetables intact. So friends, now our stuffing for the spring rolls is ready. So friends, for making spring rolls, now we need spring roll sheets like this. Place it on a plate and now we have to add the filling inside it just like this. How much you want to add, you can add. After that, you have to fold it. Like this. After that, fold it from the sides. And again fold it. Now you have to add the flour and water mixture here. Apply it and fold it. And now your spring roll is ready. Just you have to deep fry it. So friends, now I have made few spring rolls and now we have to deep fry it. So friends, now I am deep frying spring rolls. For that the oil should be very hot. Just see that your spring rolls doesn't burn. And don't keep it in the oil for more time. And it should become golden brown. See, now our spring rolls are becoming golden brown. Now we have to remove it. I'll show you again. See friends, our spring rolls are golden brown. So friends, our spring rolls are ready. You can have it as your evening snack. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.